Hi, my name is Anthony, and today's meditation topic is me who doesn't have confidence. When I was younger, I always had feelings of inferiority, constantly comparing myself to other kids who were smarter than I was, or better at sports, or maybe they were taller, or their parents had more money, or whatever it was, that led to having low confidence, when I was young. And then as I got older, I heard the quote, if you don't have confidence, fake it, then it'll come around. Which I did, and it seemed to work. But as I started this meditation, I realized the confidence that I thought I had, it was more of a false confidence. It was more of a confidence based on ego and pride, and it wasn't so much about self-belief. It was more about me thinking that I was better than others. So, like when I was younger, when I would compare myself to people who I thought were better than me, now I'm comparing myself to people who I thought I was better than. But with this meditation, it really helped me throw away my feelings of pride and, my ego. And I realized that, I should be more sympathetic and less judgmental, not just towards other people, but even towards myself. And then what that led to was me just focusing on my own journey, being respectful of others and not comparing myself to others. And that really helped my confidence, helped me realize that, other people have feelings of low confidence as well. And now it goes back to that quote that I said earlier, was that, well, if you don't have confidence, fake it, then it'll come around. And now that with this meditation, I feel like I no longer have to fake it. It's a true confidence that I have, and now I can move forward and I can live life as a very happy and very confident person.